Should I start an Amazon business in 2021? That's the question I've been asked a lot lately. And my answer is absolutely yes, yes, yes. Welcome, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. This is Tim with ALGO Online Retail. Should I start an Amazon business in 2021? That's the question I've been asked a lot lately. And my answer is absolutely yes, yes, yes. If you're going to do it the right way. I've met a lot of people. They go to YouTube, they watch a little video, they think they know how to sell on Amazon. They throw some products on there, and guess what happens? No surprise, right? Nothing happens. They don't sell anything. So they go back to YouTube, find some other video, try that strategy, and they just hop from a 3-minute YouTube video from 3-minute YouTube. That doesn't work. That's not the way to sell on Amazon in 2021. So if you are willing to work, put in some effort, and do this the right way, partner with people that actually sell on Amazon every single day and can teach you how to build a successful Amazon business. If you're going to do that, then I say, yes, you should start an Amazon business. Now, I first started selling on the internet 20 years ago. First got involved with Amazon 11 years ago. I have never seen a better time to get started on Amazon, if you haven't already done so, to get started on Amazon and start selling. Or if you've tried before and you messed it up, it didn't work, now's the time to look at that again. So let me share a couple things that Amazon did in 2020 that make this one of the best times to get started selling on Amazon. So here's some numbers. 40% increase in North American sales. Absolutely phenomenal year, right? They've been averaging about 20%, so they doubled their growth in 2020. 50% increase in warehouse space. So the actual square footage of the warehouses. Now, you might be thinking, why do I care about that? These things benefit third-party sellers. More warehouse space for you to use. Then we got more employees, 400,000 new employees hired in 2020. Again, as an Amazon seller, you become a third-party seller, and third-party sellers get over half of all the sales on Amazon. It's about 60%. So all these things, more warehouses, more sales, more employees, benefit you when you're using their FBA system. They got the warehouses, they got the employees, they handle the shipping, right? The handling, the customer service, all to benefit you as a third-party seller. And then another little detail, 60% growth this year on holiday sales events like Cyber Monday, Black Friday, that whole Thanksgiving weekend, Prime Day, 60% growth. So absolutely the best time to get started on Amazon. Now, another question I kind of get, well, what if I'm not experienced, Tim? All these things benefit people that know what they're doing, but I'm brand new. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you're brand new to Amazon, these things all benefit you. And here's why. I want to teach you a time-tested, proven business model that brand new sellers that don't know what they're doing yet, we can show you how to do this, and you begin getting sales immediately when you first put products on Amazon. Here's why. I'm going to teach you how to sell popular name brand products. That is the right business model to sell on Amazon. I see all these gurus talking about, oh, here, do this. Go to China, grab a product, slap your name on it, do your own brand, your own private label. That is a high-risk business model. And guess what? You're right. To do that, you need to be experienced. You need to be a marketing genius to do that. The right method is selling popular name brand products. At ALGO, we are the experts on that. We've been teaching people how to do this. And so if you want to learn how to do this, I'm going to teach you how. I have a live webinar coming up. Click on this link right down here. Get registered, save your seat. I'm going to spend 90 minutes. 90 minutes. Now I'll take the first 60 going through step by step exactly how to sell popular name brand products. Then I'll do a question and answer period. That usually takes about 30 minutes. And yes, I will be live. That's why I'm live, because I want to answer your questions. Bring your questions. I promise I will answer every single one. If you'd like to learn how to do this, I'd love to teach you how. So click on that link, get registered, and I'll see you soon.